Dropshipping in 2026 is not what it used to be. If you've heard that dropshipping is dead, think again. The truth is, it's evolved, and those who adapt are seeing bigger wins than ever before. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to launch a successful dropshipping business in 2026, even if you're starting from scratch. Stick around, because I'll also reveal 3 product categories set to explode this year, plus the AI tools that can help you launch your store in just 48 hours. Let's start by clearing up a common misconception. Many people believe dropshipping stopped working because the old methods don't deliver results anymore. Back in 2018, you could pick random products from AliExpress, wait weeks for shipping, and still make sales. But in 2026, customers expect more. Fast shipping, viral products, and high-quality content are the new standards. If you want to succeed, you need to understand these new rules. First, shipping speed is everything. Customers expect their orders in 4 to 7 days, maximum. If you can't deliver that, your business will struggle. Second, the products that go viral today are discovered on short-form video platforms like TikTok. Third, AI tools now let you test product ideas and marketing angles faster than ever before. And finally, platforms like TikTok Shop and Meta ads are where most sales happen, while high-quality, engaging content outperforms generic ads every time. So, how do you find the right product? In 2026, winning products all have a few things in common. They solve a real problem, have a high perceived value, are easy to demonstrate in a short video, aren't already saturated, and are lightweight and cheap to ship. To find these products, use AI-powered tools like Miniscraper AI, which detects rising product trends, or PP Spy, which shows you what's performing best on TikTok Shop. ChatGPT-5 Vision can analyze screenshots of top competitors, while SellTheTrend AI gives you real-time data on store sales. With these tools, you can prompt AI to generate lists of trending product ideas, complete with demand forecasts, target audiences, and suggested ad angles. This means you're no longer guessing, you're making data-driven decisions in seconds. Once you've chosen your product, it's time to build your store. Forget about cluttered, multi-product stores. The top dropshippers in 2026 focus on 1 or 2 products and keep their storefronts clean and simple. Shopify remains the go-to platform, and themes like Dawn, Refresh, Debutify, and Ecommerce AI help you create a fast, professional-looking site. Your store should feature a short, punchy headline, a strong hero video, trust badges, clear benefits, social proof, and a layout that loads quickly. With tools like Gem Pages and ChatGPT, you can instantly rewrite your homepage copy for higher conversions, giving your store a polished, high-converting look in minutes. Next comes content and advertising. In 2026, ads are all about content that feels native to the platform. AI tools make this easier than ever. HeyGen lets you create AI-generated spokesperson videos, Runway Gen 3 Alpha produces cinematic product scenes, and Opus Clip repurposes your ads into viral short-form videos. Levin Labs can generate realistic voiceovers, while ChatGPT can write TikTok-style hooks that grab attention instantly. This means you can create engaging, scroll-stopping ads without hiring a big team or spending weeks on production. Shipping and fulfillment are critical. Customers won't wait for slow deliveries. Use suppliers like Zendrop for fast US fulfillment, CJ Dropshipping for global warehouses, Spocket for US and EU suppliers, and Sellvia for 1 to 3 day US shipping. Don't forget to ask your suppliers for custom product photos and videos. Most will provide them for free, giving your store a unique edge. When it's time to launch your ads, start with TikTok. It's the fastest way to test new products and audiences. Use broad targeting, focus on the 18 to 35 age group, and create lookalike audiences once you have some conversions. Once you find a winning product, scale up with Meta ads, YouTube Shorts ads, and TikTok Shop live selling. With ChatGPT, you can generate multiple ad variations focused on urgency, curiosity, and emotional benefits, helping you scale your campaigns like a pro. Finally, let's talk about the product categories set to trend in 2026. Smart mini projectors with AI keystone correction, portable massage devices that sync with apps, and kitchen gadgets that automate tasks, like AI-powered cutting boards, smart temperature tools, and portable blenders, are all poised to go viral. These products combine convenience with a wow factor, making them perfect for short-form video and impulse buys. That's the formula for dropshipping success in 2026. Use AI, keep your store simple, test ideas quickly, and scale smart. If you're ready to build a profitable dropshipping brand this year, now's the time to start. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. 2026 could be your breakthrough year.